ChatGPT has introduced a powerful new feature that lets you create group chat with the AI. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to set up one. First, make sure your ChatGPT app is updated to its latest version. So launch your App Store or Play Store and check for the updates. Once you update the app, launch it. Now at the top right, you're going to find this icon. You will need to click on that. You will be prompted to set up your profile. Here you can customize your display name, username, and even add a profile photo. Tap Save Profile, then select Start Group Chat. To invite your friends, tap Invite with Link and choose how you want to share the link via text message, email, or any social media app. A ChatGPT group can include up to 20 people, and anyone who taps your invite link can join instantly. Once inside, you and your friends can collaborate together while ChatGPT helps with planning projects, brainstorming, or anything else you want to work on as a group. Your private one-on-one conversations with ChatGPT won't be used inside group chat, and ChatGPT won't create memories from group conversations. And that's it. This way you can easily create group chat on ChatGPT. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.